I just want to demonstrate how resilient nature is. You know, we went through those 2 hurricanes and I literally had to lop off all of my trees. Some of them were uprooted, but just look how everything has bounced back. I mean, these little guys, look at the peaches. Just amazing how resilient everything. I thought I lost this tree, and everything is just slowly coming back and becoming so prosperous. It's an avocado tree, but look at the ground cover too. Comfrey has become my favorite plant. I mean, it's ground cover, you can walk on it, but it is just so beautiful. Matter of fact, I ordered a bunch of comfrey seeds, and I'm going to seed the rest of my lawn with the hopes that it competes with the St. Augustine grass and takes over, because I would rather walk on this beautiful, I mean, look at how it just attracts all of these bees. What a great pollinator. Look at the basil. Here's the herb garden. You have mint, you have rosemary. And then we replanted all of these little pups. So all of the banana trees that you see in the food forest, even on the other side, those were little pups from that group. And now they are just prospering. And the peaches, they were starting to come in, and I was competing with the birds. And so I'm like, screw that. And that's the solution, to be able to just wrap those suckers. I can't remember what the bags are called, but that's the purpose of them. But I would zoom in on all of the bees, but you guys get it. You guys get it, right? So I'm just capturing this because this was decimated, just absolutely decimated by the hurricane. But now look at it. Oh my goodness. And you guys have to see Sir Awesome. Sir Awesome is the only tree that I've ever planted in my life. This is an avocado tree, but look how beautiful it is. That tree, I mean, literally, it's 1.5 years old. I mean, it's more than that, but that's when we planted it. And it was just a mere pup compared to that. It's just so healthy. Look at all of this mimosa, my favorite plant. Got a plum tree here. This year, that's going to be my only plum, but that's okay. We just planted it. And then we come over here, and this is my loquat that was so productive. And lo and behold, I noticed this morning that it's getting some new flowers. So I'm wondering if those are going to turn into a second round of loquats. I don't know. I thought they only produced once a year. But then you have these. And what's happening is you have little pups that's starting to spring up. It's just so cool. This is just food for the soul. And I just want to share it with everyone. And then out back, because I love the loquat tree so much, I installed these raised beds, the 2 raised beds, to be able to plant a beautiful loquat tree in each one of them. So now over time, those, believe it or not, may get so big that they could kind of meet somewhere in the middle and provide a little bit of a canopy. But yeah, everyone, God is good, nature is great. I am so grateful for this food forest and all the joy and food for the soul it brings me. All right, cheers everyone.